Hey everyone. So about a week and a half ago, I purchased one of Jabs's old cards offers on eBay, and the offer was something like it's 100 cards, packs from the late 80s, early 90s, no less than 100 cards, might be more than 100 cards. And so I picked one up, and I just got the package, so I'm going to open it up and see what's inside. So it's in a bubble wrapped, and there's yet another bubble wrap. Okay, so we have a bunch of packs. We have an 87 Topps. We have a 91 Fleer, 92 Fleer, 89 Topps, a 1990 Fleer. This is what, a 90 score, and it's a Donruss. What is the year here? 91, I think. Okay. So let me see how I want to do these. Let me start with the 91 Fleer. Got a Cub sticker. We got Gary Pettis, Charlie Leibrandt, Doug Jones, former closer for the Indians, Jeff Conine, Craig Gerbeck, Greg Harris, Dwight Smith, Ozzie, there's a Hall of Famer, Carlos Garcia, Ray Langford, John Cerruti, Juan Samuel, Dennis Rasmussen, and Tom O'Malley. All right, so in that pack, I wasn't expecting much, but you get at least one Hall of Famer with the Ozzie. Oh, let's see. Let's do this 1990 score next. I had a bunch of these back in the day. I think this was the last year that I collected heavily. Mike Scott, Andreas Galarraga, Jack Clark, Joe Carter, one of my favorites from the Indians. Had some good years with the Blue Jays. Clay Parker, Dwight Gooden. One of these holographic MVP cards. Roger Salkeld, first round draft pick. Frank Viola, Dave Righetti, Lance McCullers, Jeff Ballard, John Dobson, Bo Diaz, Mike Raisler, Dave Island, and Rick Rona. All right. So not a ton in those first two packs, and again, I wasn't expecting much. Let's do this 92 Fleer Ultra next. Thinking I will save the 87 Topps for last. Could be a Barry Bonds rookie in there. Mark McGwire card, a Barry Larkin rookie. All right, here we have a Ron Darling, Darren Daulton, Cal Daniels, Tom Browning, Rafael Belliard, Juan Gonzalez, Pete O'Brien, slightly stuck together, John Olerud, Ray Sanchez. There's a Biggio. It's a nice one. Oops. Yeah, kind of cool backs on these. They had the face and then some other sort of action pose. Howard Johnson, who had at least one 30-30 year back, this year, 34 home runs, or 38 home runs and 30 stolen bases. Mackie Sasser, Van Slyke, fitting as Jabs sent these, and it's one of his favorite players, and Steve Fry. All right, let's do the 90 Fleer next. Very waxy wax pack. Some baseball quiz card. We got John Wetland, Jamie Moyer, Hubie Brooks, Bob Boone, Pat Clements, Steve Sachs, Brian Meyer, Blyleven, Hall of Famer, George Bell, Kurt Young, McDowell, Gazzo, another Van Slyke, and a Gagne. All right, let's then do, I'm going to do this 91 Donruss actually. right, we got a Mark Parent, Oddibe McDowell, Mel Rojas, Jack Doherty, Tracy Jones, Mark Davidson, Julio Mercado, Larry Anderson, Scott Ruskin, Strawberry, who I collect, Brett Main, Gary Pettis, Tony Pena, Jeff Schultz, Dan Robinson, Glenn Davis, and the puzzle piece. I keep dropping stuff. All right, last two. We have the 89 Topps, the gum, and Frank Viola. Nice gum stain on Frank Viola. So we got a Al Pedrique, Dave Lapointe, Les Lancaster, Tom Filer, Greg Booker, Pascual Perez, Frank Viola with the gum stain, Lou Whitaker, Paul Kilgis, Mike Dunn, Rene Gonzalez, Bobby Valentine, Charlie Lee Brandt, Terry Clark, and Mickey Hatcher. So nothing whatsoever in that pack. The last couple packs really just got one card out of. And then finally, who gets the gum this time? Someone on the Twins, Tim Laudner. All right, we got a Rob Deere, Doug Senseis, Reggie Williams, another Bly 11, Jay Tibbs, Milt Thompson, Ron Reynolds, Tim Laudner. There's a Darwin, a Ricky Henderson turned back the clock card, some Brewers leaders, Tim Flannery. Let's see what we got here. We got Cubs, Reds, got BJ Surhoff, Future Star, Max Venable, Palmeiro, Future Star, Tom Foley, and a Bill Scherer. All right, so on the whole, not much, but of course, when you're buying these old junk wax packs, you don't expect there to be much. It's sort of just the fun of opening up a variety of packs. I guess the best card is this Biggio out of all of these. And this would be, I don't know, maybe a third or fourth year card of his. And then just some other random stuff. All right, so let's get these sorted out and put away, and I will see you back here soon.